Hello. For this week's assignment, I decided to interview my mother, who is 60 years old, so she barely makes the cut, but she makes it. From my memory, anyways, my mother was always very patient with the four children that she had, and she always worked very hard to give us the life that she had. When asking her some of the questions for this interview, I liked most of her answers because they were very sweet. Um, when I asked my mother how her parenting over changed her personality over time, she said that parenting made her less selfish. Apparently, she was selfish before she had kids. I think everyone can be a little selfish before they have kids. Um, my mom said that she feels she's become closer to people as time has gone on in her life regarding how their definition of their relationships have changed over the course of their life. She feels as though she's closer to other people. My mom, something also interesting that she told me is that throughout her lifetime, she was never close with her parents until she became a mother herself. So until 88, when she had my sister, she didn't feel close to her mother. And that my sister now is expecting, and my mom hopes that that'll be the same for her and my sister. Um, but also, I think what makes it hard during this time is this is when a lot of people's parents die. And it can be hectic within the family. And that's something that happened to my mother when her mother died, was all chaos between her and her five siblings. So there was turmoil in terms of growing apart from siblings and being close to some siblings and, you know, being strayed from the others. There was a lot of turbulence within the family. Now, the last question that I asked my mom is how she thinks her personality will change, if she thinks it's going to change anymore in her life. And she said that it will change once she becomes a grandmother. So we'll see how that journey affects my mother and her personality, if she'll become more, open and more caring than she already is, or more sweet. That'll be very interesting to see in the coming months of her becoming a grandmother for the first time.